Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a gift card on the Target app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've got a gift card from Target and you want to go ahead and redeem it on the Target app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Next, go ahead and click on the gear icon in the top right hand corner. Then click on gift cards. Then click on add gift card. So this is where you can either scan the Target gift card or enter the card number and then follow the on-screen prompts, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and redeem a gift card on the Target app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.